backlight. And go to the advanced settings and set it on the high gamma so you can get more contrast. So you can see right there, look at this structure right here, right there, boom, here, there, here. I mean, the whole place is filled to the rim, and then you got this stadium-like deal. It looks like a stadium, but it's not. It's really an eye, and that's the pupil. But from far away, from up close, then you see some bunch of structure. It's just like a thing, a 2D ring, like with 5, almost hexagonal, around this main tube that goes down and into this part of the crater or hole or the bowl. It looks like a stadium. Then you have this base, and you got a pair of eyes right there. Another pair of eyes. And you got this tube, it goes around, and you have this structure down here. And you will see how the perspective changes when you move further down. And look at this glass looking dome with a structure underneath. But really, look, there's another eye right there. Look at this other deal here with another structure and this fat tube with another tube that comes down here. Well, this is amazing. It's just incredible. Well, I'll let you check out how the image changes as it moves down. Unfortunately, they left this uncovering alien bullshit for the next day. And when you move the mouse to click on something, then you get these lines. This line where I recorded. So look at the perspective now on that structure right there, which by the way is all made from the ground. And this is not a shadow, this is a structure, a part of the structure that overlaps, and this thing produced from another tube. But it looks like an eye and a pupil. It's incredible. This whole thing is just incredible. Look at this tube, how it just goes to the left. It looks like some kind of reptile with a long mouth, like a barracuda looking thing. But in reality, it's also a head with a pair of eyes. And it has this protruding horns like the costume of Flash. And look at the mouth. Of course, all of that is how you see it. There is another head down here and carved like the face of a white-headed polar explorer with beard and bushy eyebrows and shit. And look at this tube. And you can see that there is a line here that goes all the way. All this is like it's incredible. Just keep looking at it. I mean, it's detailing this, it'll take hours to explain every single part of it. For one frame, it'll take you an hour at least to show every part of it, what I see. So I'll leave it up to you to discover with your own eyes what is there. See how colorful the moon is? That's the real color. Check it out. And you see how this whole are aligned perfectly. Boom, boom, boom. And these ones in a triangular pattern. Then look at this one right here. And they go into this part right here. The structure, and this is like a sinister looking face right there. Oh boy. Let's check it out. All the stuff is there. This and this match perfectly. This and this match. This and this match. This and this match. That was meteors. None of that will match. Impossible. Twin, triple, quadruple meteors that match the same trajectory, the same depth, nah, same diameter. Impossible. It's molten holes, just like Dr. Berglund said. And the regolith is the powder resulting from the melting. It's not from dust accumulated over eons, as NASA bullshit us. And that's the last frame of that short Apollo 14.
Contact now. Stop.
The idea of some unknown force interfering with the landing might seem far-fetched, but mission photos developed once the astronauts returned to Earth raised suspicions.
One of the things that we notice in the images is these blue streaks that appear in the skyline, almost hovering.
Unseen by astronauts during more than 33 hours on the lunar surface, these strange blue lights appear on a series of photos taken during the mission.
So the key question everybody's asking is what is that image? What is that blue streak just above the horizon?
NASA believes this is film damage caused by cosmic rays in the near vacuum of space.
Cosmic rays, X-rays are very high energy particles, high energy.
Caused by cosmic rays in the
Streak just above the horizon.
and during more than 33 hours on the
Sanders, 1967, Sanders and YouTube did a work on that specific, that light. And he was using microbiology software, was able to determine that it is an object part right up there. I mean, I can look it up right now and show you what you don't want to see, but it is there. These people saying that that's high particle, no, bullshit. How come it's only there and nowhere else?
surface. These strange blue lights appear on a series of photos taken.
What I want to see is the ground. why they overexposed the ground. They really did. And they told Dr. Mitchell to shut the hell up, or else they would take him out. To claim that he didn't see anything, shit. My God, if I can see all those buildings in a shitty picture, one frame, imagine them flying right above it, only 10 miles above, or maybe less. Now, to be able to see what's on the skyline, you have to over brighten the image. And let's do that. Let's see if my deal works. Oh my God, look at the size of the thing. Oh, you have to see this. It is immense. It is a huge ass object. My goodness, look at that. Look at the size of the object. Oh boy. Sander didn't even see that. I got it with this. Look at the size of the object in question. That is one monstrous object. A sphere super huge. Oh my God, I didn't think I was gonna see this when oh boy. Oh boy. Look at that. That's the object. And it vibrates in the video. That is incredible. Whoa. Wow, man, I cannot believe it that I am seeing this. I thought that what Sanders' show is something different, just a little bit, because it was from another Apollo mission. Now I remember. This is Apollo 14. The one that he did the work on was Apollo 17 and Apollo 11. That same object appeared in all those images from Apollo 11 all the way to 17, but this is 14, Apollo 14. And look at that. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Check it out. Now if we take that blue color, let's take the blue color, which is wow, man, look at that. Check it out, man. So if I reverse that image, I'm gonna be able to see what's it. Look, there's something protruding right there to the side, and then another thing right here. Oh my goodness. 3 lines right there, and 2 protruding deals down here. And the base, there are some tubular deals too. Now, Richard Hoagland said that that was a glass dome that was showing the shiny part of